going on, guys and gals? The 1% of gals that watches this channel. You guys, gals, it's Ryan, Soda Bros Angling. Coming at you topside. Standing on ice, walking on water down in Chester Woods Park. Today's Monday. We're exactly 13 days away from the Youth Ice Expo taking place right here in God's country. And just kind of doing a little walkthrough, ice update on the thickness of the ice, the conditions out here. It's like 38 degrees out here right now, and it's pleasantly pleasant. Let's just put it at that. Noticing a few things when I walk out here right away. You see these right here? These little bundles of buckthorn all along the weed edge. Seems to me that they're doing a little bit of a buckthorn eradication going on in these woods, which is really cool to see because you can see how it thins up the wooded timber, the understory there. And then here it's not eradicated right in this region. But there, over there where the piles are, it's all eradicated. Beautiful understory there. Get some more big hardwoods to grow. But the cool thing is they put it all the bundles right here. I feel like a meteorologist trying to read a green screen. They put all the bundles in the water, building fish habitat. Pretty cool. So I took off from the boat launch, and the first 150 yards is great hard pack. So for right now, I'd say the easiest route to the expo and one of the biggest parking lots is going to be, if you don't want to hit the big hill, is to take this trail right here. It's hard pack. It's safe-ish. No ice is safe, but it feels good. I can't promise you anything, but whenever you step on the ice, you're making a decision to go out there, and that is your decision. So, like right here, we've got some cracking going on. Pretty typical mid-season ice out here. So what we're doing out here today is we're meeting up with a news reporter, and we're going to go live on TV. So that's pretty cool. Talking about the event, talking about Project Minnesota Youth Outdoors, and what those boys and myself are all about. But right now, I'm going to shoot a little video, kind of behind the scenes, on how hopefully I can make something happen and get some fish caught with our news team on live TV. Sound pretty cool? Yeah, I think it sounds pretty cool. But yeah, anyways, I got the sled behind me. It's seriously one of the easiest pulls of the year, especially with the amount of snow we've had. This hard pack, there's literally a highway out here. It's all foot traffic only out at Chester Woods, but the foot traffic has made this beautiful little highway, and we're gonna give her a try. We might even set up right down here and here where it's not so windy, and see if we can't get on some. So stay tuned for that. See you later. So I know the main basin's going to be super windy, and we don't need any of that malarkey. So I know for a fact, right over here in this region, there's an absolute beautiful point that drops down off of this right here. Like I said, meteorologist here, trying my best. Drops off at this point, and it's a nice shallow point that comes out, and there's all that structure right there. So if I can stay out of the main basin and still catch fish, I might be into something. We're gonna give her a shot. I know that the main basin's where the crappie hole is, but if I can hone in on a few bass, I think that'd be kind of neat too. But yeah, let's get out here and start digging holes. All right then. It's game on. It's exceptionally windy out here. So I don't know how well we're gonna do on this whole audio game, but let's see if there's any fish out here first, huh? So 20 feet deep right here. Why even go to the basin? It's 37 degrees out here, but the wind is absolutely brutal. So we'll try this spot here. We gotta go quick because I gotta find a spot fast. Gotta move. Gotta move. So we're all set up here, I think. We're in a decent spot. We're right where the Ice Expo is going to take place out here. And that's kind of the whole point of being out here today, is to promote the Ice Expo and get as many kids out here as possible. It's really, 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 really windy. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully the wind kind of dies off a little bit. I don't think it will. Looking at these clouds, she's turbulent. So hopefully it doesn't rain. Let's just pray for no rain. I gotta find the fish. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Gotta find them. Okay. All right, let's go. All right then. Hang with me here. I'm swinging the hole. Poor man's Panoptix. Okay. Okay. There's fish. 26 feet. Scouting, scouting, scouting. Gotta find fish. Gotta find fish. So there's something down here. If I can get down there before it loses interest in the piece of mud that it's staring at. Let's see if this is a fish or if this is nothing. Haven't seen anything suspended thus far. 25 feet. I don't want to go out into 40 feet, period. I just don't want to. It takes way too long to get down there, and then this wind, I don't want to play that game. I'm trying to find something out of the wind. I can't seem to be winning with the wind. Oh boy, what do we got? Come on. Come on. Come on. I see you. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. A little crunchy action. It's blowing steady at like 18 to 20 out here right now. So I pray to God you can hear me. I know in the last video it was blowing like crazy again, so can't win. All right, nothing there, moving on. 25 feet. See if we can't find a hip. See if we can't find a change. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Here we go. Here we go. Moving inward. Closer to the shore. Closer to the shore, and okay. Is it structure or fish? I'm a Humminbird guy, and I run a Helix 7 in the winter here. I run A-scope. Does anybody else run A-scope? Because I love it. You can literally see the fish turning. No fish thus far. So I would usually rig up a search bait here, which I think I'm going to. I'm gonna throw down a. Come on, baby, get up here. I'm gonna throw down a search bait. I've got a 1-hook Z-Viber that's got a rattle to it. Make sure it's It's good and stuck, because I'm gonna whip this thing, because it's, I think, got a little bit of vibration to it. Okay, yes it does. Down the hole you go, come on. With this storm coming in, or whatever the heck this is, they might tight lip on us. Who knows? This might be a 10-minute video of me talking. That's always fun, right? No fish, just structure. One more hole. Let's give her all we got, Captain. Jeez. Moving in a little bit. "22 feet. 22 feet, less structure. Hard bottom. A lot different than 8-10 feet away. Weird. 90% of my bites come in Chester Woods on the fall. It's just how it is. This is no good for audio video. Houston, we have a problem. Oh, Schmidt. Something just came flashing in. Oh yeah, baby. We got action. No, don't tighten up. Don't tight lip. Come on. Come on back. Okay. So we had a fish on the graph. I'm satisfied with that. We're definitely changing seasons rather rapidly around here. Indeed. It's now getting very dark and cloudy. Got here, it was sunny and warm. Let's downsize a little bit. Change our presentation up a little bit. Oh man, this wind is horrible. This is Ryan. Bye. Okay, back to the prepaid programming. Here's a fish. I'm gonna catch a fish before they get here. We're gonna catch a fish before they get here. Right now. Right now. Right now. Okay. Oh. We're out of the wind. We're in a cove. We're ice fishing in a cove. It's shallow. I doubt it. But we'll give it a shot. All right, come with me.
Yeah, for sure.
This spot kind of...
Yeah, this works. Just outside of Rochester, not far from Eota. And we are looking here. Any fish down here?
It's probably right at about 6:30, 7 o'clock, all the way up until even midnight. Right in the middle of the night, they like to fish. The fish like to eat, so...
Ryan Pike here with a really good fisherman last name with Project Minnesota Youth Outdoors. There is a big event coming up. So is he biting?
No, you see them. They're up there suspended. They're sitting a little bit higher than the bottom of the water column, and I think they're crappies. So pretty soon, hopefully the sun sets a little bit and we can start getting onto some crappies.
Okay, well we have an hour of live television to try and catch a fish here, and we're hoping that we can snag one of these here throughout our broadcast. So.
Okay. All right. So we gave it all we had. Me and the news team. I don't know if anybody's ever tried to catch fish on live TV before, but that was some serious pressure. Not only do we got pressured fish out here, but we got pressure because there's a big old camera pointed at you the whole time. No fish. We didn't catch any fish. And it got really, really, really windy. Gosh, it's like beautiful back here. I should have came back here. Dang it. Anyways, didn't catch any fish. We tried. Hopefully we see a few of you guys at the expo. This is Ryan with everybody at this point, with Soda Bros Angling, with Project Minnesota Youth Outdoors. Tune out. Chester Woods Park. Tugging the sled like normal. Subscribe if you want. See you later.